Earlier, I was working into banking operations part of it, and after doing this course has helped me to in better understanding of the domain knowledge as well as the technical skills which was required for my aspiring role. And as a result, I got an opportunity to work as a banking consultant with one of the major banks and consulting firms in the world. And uh, talking about the percentage of hike I got, I think I got around 60 to 70% hike from my previous salary.
In TCS, same with the same like senior RP developer. Okay. And then I have been promoted to a lead RP developer.
Earlier, I was a manufacturing engineer in India. Now I'm like a transition to manufacturing technology specialist in Sweden, with almost like more than more than 100% hike.
I was working with Cognizant till last year September. Like I said, as a service delivery manager at a senior manager level, and now I have moved into GE Vernova as a director digital finance, and I'm currently handling technology finance operations as a leader, as a global head. And this role has happened because of the efforts what Intellipaat has put in through this course curriculum. In terms of percentage, it would be around 122%.
Before enrolling in the Intellipaat course, I was only doing teaching profession. I was engaged in the teaching profession. I just got the job in Open Venture here. So in Open Venture, first I joined first time as an operations specialist. I got total 50% of increment in my current organization.
Before joining to the Intellipaat, I was working in Ethics Aviation Private Limited as an aeronautical research. Currently, I am working in SpiceJet as Assistant Manager Business Analytics. I got hike of around 70 to 80%.
I was enrolled for a Intellipaat Data Science and AI course, which helped me to successfully transition from my academic to industry. Before joining the course, I was serving as an assistant professor in Vijaytia. I have successfully switched to another organization with Purdy Systems, where I'm dealing with as an AI scientist with development of AI model in security and surveillance. It was almost 80% of salary hike which I have received.
I was a senior product manager that time, and I joined this within 3 to 4 months. I was promoted from a senior product management to lead project manager within the same team. So the skills I gained really helped me confidently evaluating and contributing to the AI first initiatives.